Hello guys, welcome to Linux Joy channel. In my previous video, I told you how to create a partition in CentOS 7. Today, we are going to access the partition. That means we are going to access the file system. So how to do that? We are going to see today. So let's get started. I open my virtual machine. Open the terminal. Control Shift plus. Okay. Type this command fdisk-l. This will show all the partitions which are available in the operating system. The first disk is 21.5 GB and the second disk is 53680 MB. That means almost 5 GB. So in my previous video I created these 4 partition. First 3 are primary and the last one is fourth one is extended partition. So check this command df-T-H. So this /db/sdb1 partition here. So I formatted with XFS file system and that is mounted to /sales directory. In Linux, every partition should be format with certain file system, that would be XFS, ext4, ext2, like that. Today we are going to format the partition with XFS file system. After that, to access the partition we have to mount with a directory. Without mounting a directory we can't access the file system. So I already this SDB1 partition, and that means I formatted this partition with XFS file system and mounted with /sales directory. Let's go to /sales directory. ls nothing, create some files. That means we are accessing this file system, creating the files and edit the files like that. A, B, C, D, ls -l. So in this way I did. That means we have to format the partition and after that we have to mount the partition with a particular directory. Then only we can access those file system. So what is after formatting the file system, you can observe what is the size of that partition and what is the amount of used and what is the available memory. 497, 26 MB used and 472 MB. We have 6% of used memory. 6% of we used the partition. So let's get started. So next partition is /dev/sdb2. So first we are going to format the partition. How to do that? mkfs. So I am using .xfs file system. XFS and what is the partition name? /dev/sdb2. Enter. That means the partition is formatted with XFS file system. Okay. Now after that we have to create one directory, mkdir/accounts. That means this directory belongs to accounts member, sales, accounts, finance, like that. So first one I took as sales people. This directory is for sales people and this directory for accounts people. So what after that creating, we have to mount the partition with this directory. How to do that? Mount partition name /dev/sdb2 and the directory is accounts. Enter. check whether the partition is mounted or not. df hyphen capital T H. See, /dev/sdb2, formatted with XFS file system, and the size is 497 MB, 26 MB used, and 472 MB is available. So if I reboot the system, what will happen? Check it here. Init 6. So rebooting will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video and we'll be back when the system is on. Hello guys, I'm back. Now my system is powered on and the password is root, username is root and password is sent on S7. Okay. Open the terminal. To see the all available partitions, what we have to type is df hyphen shift T, that means capital T H. So observe here, the /dev/sdb2 partition is gone. That means that command, which command I used earlier, this command is mount the partition with /accounts. What will happen? This partition is mounted with /accounts, but actually it's a temporary mount point. So once again execute the command df hyphen capital th. Sorry, no problem, same command. So now you can again see the partition /dev/sdb2 partition and mounted with /account. So this is temporary. When you reboot the system, the mount point will be gone. So to do this partition as permanent, we have to edit one particular file, that is /etc/fs tab. So I'm going to edit that file vim/etc/fs tab tab. Enter. Here I have to give the partition name, that is /dev/sdb2, and mounted directory, that is /accounts. There should be no spelling mistakes. If you wrongly typed anything here, the mount will not happen. Mount is nothing but accessing the file system. So file system here is what? XFS file system. And we have to type this defaults defaults 0, 0. That's it. Escape :x to save the files. Enter. Type df hyphen capital T H. So I'm going to use this formatted partition. For that, cd/accounts. Type ls, nothing you will find. Create some directories. Touch file 1, file 2, file 3. Type again ls. So in this way, after creating the partition, you have to format that partition and you have to mount that partition with a particular directory. So, and I have one more partition is there, fdisk-l. Here /sdb3. So I am going to format that files partition also, mkfs.xfs. I am doing for this second time for you better understand this concept. So mkfs.xfs and the partition name is /sdb. /dev/sdb3, enter. So that partition is formatted with XFS file system, and create one directory mkdir/accounts finance, and that means finance, right? And mounting this partition, I'm not going to do temporary mounting, I'm directly going to do permanent mounting. For that, vim/etc/fs tab, enter, and insert that partition name /dev/sdb3 and /finance finance finance, and XFS file system defults defaults 0,0 escape :x, save the files. After did this, we have to refresh the partition table. So everything we did right now is correct, and after edit this /etc/fs tab, we have to refresh the partition table. So that is, we have to execute one command, that is mount-a. Don't forget execute this command. If you don't execute this command also, the mount point will be gone. So mount- is nothing but we are telling this that partitions are going to be used. We are telling this to the kernel, the operating system. So that's the reason we have to use this command exactly, mount-a, refreshing the partition table, right? Go to that finance, and here create some file, touch file 3, file 4, file 6, enter, and ls. In this way, what are the partition we have to create here? First, we have to format the file system, and second, we have to mount with a directory, and after that we have to edit the /etc/fs tab file to do the permanent mounting, and after that we have to refresh the table. So mount table, that means with using mount-a. So that's it. After creating the partition, if you want to access the file system, we have to do these steps. I hope you understand this concept, and if you like the video, please click on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as many people as you can. Thanks watching this video. Have a nice day.